Hello students, I am Sonali. Welcome to the channel Success EduTech. Today we are going to see most important term, that is seed dormancy, from the lesson Plant Growth and Development. Please watch the previous videos, link is given in the description. We will start our today's session. What is mean by seed dormancy? Seed dormancy is nothing but the stopping of growth or development. So it is a state in which seeds are prevented from germinating, means they are not growing, they are preventing even under suitable conditions. Like these, see, these seeds are not germinating. See, the seeds are visible, it is remain viable but unable to germinate or grow for several reasons. These can be based on external and internal conditions. Okay, so which that external and internal conditions? See, the causes of seed dormancy. Now, which are the causes of seed dormancy? By which cause the seed development is stopped? That is hard seed coat. If seed have a hard seed covering, then impermeable seed coat means any liquid portion or water cannot enter from the seed. Immature embryo is the most important term, and germination inhibitors also, like hormones which can not help in the germination. See, this is the picture. Now, an internal situation. Is that easy to understand? Now, what is the internal situation? That was the external situation, that hard seed coat, impermeable seed coat. But what is internal condition? That is the study of embryo. Try to understand the embryo of the seeds which are not capable for the germination and not reach at that maturity level. Now, to distinguish these two different situations, seed physiologists have the use two terms, that is quiescence. Quiescence means is the condition of a seed when it is unable to germinate. Only because of favorable external conditions normally required for growth are not present. So it is the condition of a seed when it is unable to germinate. It is unable to germinate only because of favorable external conditions. External conditions are there normally required for the growth are not present, but that external condition which are required for growth are not present, so it is unable to germinate. Second term is dormancy. Now, what is dormancy? Is the condition of a seed when it is failed to germinate, it is unable to germinate, failed to germinate because of internal conditions. This is because of internal condition, even though external conditions are favorable. Here, external condition, if it is favorable, but internal condition is the most important point to study. For example, temperature, moisture, atmosphere. See, these are the external conditions which are favorable, but rather on that, internal condition is the most important point. The dormancy of a seed may be caused by hard seed coat that prevent uptake of oxygen or water. Because of hard seed coat, water entering and oxygen entering is not possible. Like in this picture, it is showing. See, this is a very hard covering. Such type of dormancy caused by hard seed coat can be broken by scarification. Now, these hard seed coat, we have to break it. Now, what is this scarification? So, it is a method by which hard seed coat is ruptured or weakened. Method to break seed dormancy. Method to break the seed dormancy, and that are scarification and stratification. Okay, so what is the first? Scarification. And what is this scarification? Again, I am going to tell you in a simple way. It is a breakdown or soften or weakening of the seed coating, which is very hard, and it is for to increase to speed up the germination. So in this technique, what we have to do, take a sandpaper or knife or use the chemicals also. It is a mechanical method, and to rupture the seed coat of the seed. Softening or mechanically injured seed coat means we have to rupture it, we have to break it, we have to injure the seed coat mechanically. Stratification. Stratification is the another method in which the separation of seeds we have to do, and seed dormancy can be broken in order to promote germination again. So here separation of seed in one packet, in separate packet is done, and it is the cold temperature treatment of the seeds. It's the important point. Seeds of certain plant, that is for example tomato, contain chemical compound is present in tomato which inhibit their germination. Okay, so the practice of layering the seeds during winter. So what we have to do in winter season, in the sand, or we have to do the peat, and into that we have to it is make the do the practice of layering the seeds during winter. That is known as stratification or pre-chilling also. So see in this picture, in the sand or in a peat, we have to sow the seeds. Now the MCQs related to this topic. First is the process in which seed coat is removed or injured mechanically is known as stratification, scarification, germination, and both 1 and 2. And the answer is scarification. Second one MCQ is which of these following is correct about seed dormancy? Hard seed coat result in seed dormancy. Then it is impossible to remove seed dormancy. Then seed dormancy help the seed to survive in unfavorable conditions, and both 1 and 3. And the answer is both 1 and 3. Now, hard seed coat that prevent uptake of oxygen or hydrogen gas can be seen in Fabaceae, then Solanaceae, then Liliaceae, and the Malvaceae. Answer is Fabaceae. Presence of chemicals in seed promotes dormancy in allium, second one tomato, then solanum, and the pisum. And the answer is tomato. So thank you very much, students.